The Sermon on the Mount is a collection of teachings by Jesus Christ, as recorded in the Gospel of Matthew, chapters 5 through 7. It is one of the most well-known and influential sermons in Christian theology. The Beatitudes, which form the beginning of the Sermon on the Mount, are a series of blessings that describe the characteristics and rewards of those who follow God's will. Hunger and thirst after righteousness. Hunger and thirst. These are powerful metaphors for deep, intense longing. Jesus uses these basic human needs to illustrate the depth of desire that believers should have for righteousness. Righteousness, in a biblical context, refers to living in accordance with God's will and commands. It encompasses both personal morality and social justice. Seeking righteousness means striving to live a life that is pleasing to God and beneficial to others. Blessed. This term indicates a state of spiritual well-being and favor with God. Those who hunger and thirst for righteousness are assured of God's approval and support. They shall be filled. This promise suggests that those who earnestly seek righteousness will find satisfaction and fulfillment. It is an assurance that God will meet the spiritual needs of those who are sincerely seeking to live righteously. The reflection extends the timeless message of this beatitude to contemporary issues, particularly the challenge of discerning truth in the age of information. The text suggests that Jesus' words are relevant today as a warning against the proliferation of fake news and misinformation, especially on the internet. In today's digital age, it is crucial to be discerning about the sources of information. The reflection cautions that even traditionally trusted news outlets can sometimes be unreliable. Therefore, individuals must take the initiative to verify information and seek out reliable sources. The text encourages individuals to conduct their own investigations and not passively accept information at face value. By actively seeking the truth, one can satisfy the hunger for righteousness and moral integrity. The Beatitude. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled is a call to earnestly seek justice and moral integrity. It promises that those who do so will find fulfillment and satisfaction. In a modern context, this exhortation serves as a reminder to be vigilant and discerning in the pursuit of truth, especially in an era where misinformation is rampant. By actively seeking righteousness and truth, individuals can align themselves with God's will and experience the blessings promised by Jesus.